we get into it, let me just apologize to you guys for the noise that you hear. That is my exhaust fan to my bathroom. And unfortunately, I can't turn it off. Yeah. It's just that feature is turned off. Like, they didn't put power to that. And it's probably because this bathroom is located in our primary bedroom. Hello, beautiful people. Thank you guys so much for joining. It's Darnell, and I'm here to show you guys this really cute, fun, flirty, girly, easy style that you can do on your locks when you need a retwist. Now, no one necessarily needs a retwist ever unless it's something that they want to do. So let me just put that out there. Yeah, please bear with me. I won't be talking for long, so you won't have to worry about hearing that and trying to hear me over it. But yeah, thank you for coming and thank you for being interested, and welcome if this is your first time. Yeah. Okay, you guys, so this style will require some very fuzzy roots. You can probably do this if you have a fresh retwist. I'm not sure how well it will come out because I have not tried that. I just did a test run with my hair in the way that it is, in the form that it is right now, and I definitely need to wash it. That's on my agenda for tomorrow. But as far as today, I figured while my roots are very fuzzy and fluffy, let me show you guys something that you can try when you need a retwist but don't want to do one, or you have somewhere to go and you just really want to do something cute with your hair before you get it retwisted. So stay tuned.
So I'm starting off with plain water and some hair clips. So the first step is to split the hair into two sections, one section in the back and one section in the front. So I am trying to find that line that connects from my ear to the other ear. And I'm trying to ensure that the hair is sectioned off in a straight line. Although I am having a bit of a tough time because of how messy my roots are and because I can't really see that well. But just do the best you can. It doesn't have to be perfect because most of that line will be covered anyway. So now once you're satisfied with how the hair is sectioned off, just put a hair tie around that hair that's in the back section to keep it out of your way. Now section off that first row of locks. In my case, I have two locks in the first row, so I just spritz the roots with a little bit of water and then proceed to create that first flat twist and secure the end of it by looping the hair around itself. I will show you guys what this looks like a little bit slower. So clip the other hair out of the way, spritz the roots with a little bit of water, or use a hair product of your choice and begin to twist that first lock and then grab the second lock and join it with the first one and continue that twisting and add each lock to it. Once you get to the end, the lock of your choice, you take it and wrap it around the remaining locks in that flat twist. Wrap it around a second time, but keep your fingers in the way so that you can create a loop, and then pull the end of that lock through the loop. And then pull that lock and the remaining locks away from each other to tighten. This part is optional. You can use rubber bands, but this is how I locked the end of each of my lock flat twists. So proceed using those same steps to create and secure your lock flat twist for the rest of that front section. For now, I'll let you guys enjoy some music while you watch me do the rest of my hair. So to show you guys how I did it one more time, you just spray the roots with water or apply the product of your choice and begin to twist the new growth in that first lock. Add this next lock and twist that around the first one. And then once you're done, wrap one lock around the other twice. And when you create that second wrap around, you just leave your fingers in the way so that you can create a loop and pull that end of the lock through. And then just pull it to tighten. That's it. Look at that. Doing this style keeps the front of your locks out of your face. And here I'm just using a little bit of that Got to Be Ultra Glue Gel just to lay down my edges a little bit more. This part is optional. You do not have to do this. I already had my edges kind of laid out from earlier, but it started to look a little old, so I just refreshed it by spritzing it with plain water and then adding more of the gel and brushing it down. And there you have it. Look at this super cute style, and it's super easy and no tools were required. This is what it looks like from the back. Not too bad considering that I couldn't see. Now, I could have left it that way, but the perfectionist in me wanted to make it look a bit better. So I just took one of the locks and did like a up and over type of pattern around the base of those locks. And the locks that I did this to are just those middle 3 or 4 because I felt like they were a bit spaced apart. So I just did this to combine them and to basically fill in that space. If your hair is not fine, then you may not have this issue whatsoever, but because mine is, I just wanted it to look a bit fuller. So I did that just to kind of bring them together a little bit in the middle so that there wasn't like that clear space. But yeah, what do you guys think? OMG, I love it.
This is so cute. Okay, you guys, so I hope this tutorial was helpful. I hope you learned something new, and I hope you really like the style. I am in love, honey. Like, they don't even look like, it looks like my roots are like all straight, which is kind of like trippy to see that, but it's cool at the same time mixed with the locks. I like it. I am a fan. I hope that you guys are fans of this style too, and I hope you give it a try. You can feel free to use rubber bands at the end of each flat twist to make it feel more secure. I don't really like using rubber bands like that, and because I have so much loose strands at my roots, I just didn't really want to tangle with the rubber bands today. But if you guys want to wear this style and you want it to be very secure, you can either hold the lock to like tighten it a little bit more, or you can just use a rubber band and call it a day. You can also use straight pins, bobby pins if you like. I didn't have any of them here with me in this bathroom, so I didn't use them. Yeah, but this is what I did, and as you can see, it's not coming out. Look, it's still there. I don't know what it looks like from the back because I don't have a separate mirror in here to see it. But from the front, I like it, and I would wear my hair like this. Now you guys already know what to do, so go ahead. I'll wait. Okay. Well, until next time, I will see you guys later. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them in the comment section below, and I will be sure to get back to you as soon as I can, I promise. Until next time, you guys, I'll see you guys later. Bye.